as we are doing the page number 35 in the last class, and the chapter we were studying, it's the chapter number 4. The chapter is all about the mouse. The chapter is all about the mouse. Okay, so is there anyone who can tell me, is there anyone who can tell me the working of mouse, why we use mouse? Is there anyone who can tell me that why we use mouse? Okay, let me give you the hint. We use mouse. We use mouse to we use the keyboard for typing. Why we use mouse? Okay, so we have Siddhi Ghalib. Yes, Siddhi Ghalib. What do we do with the mouse? Can you tell us? Click. Okay, that's good. Okay, so let's ask Ahmad Al Badi. Yes, Ahmad Al Badi. What do we do with the mouse?
Click.
Click. We do the click. And Ahmad Al Badi already sent the spelling in the chat. Excellent. Okay. What about the
And
others? So let's see. Let's see. What about the other? What others are saying? Is there anyone who can tell me the spelling of click? Is there anyone? Oh wow, excellent. Excellent. Five students already sent the answer in the chat. Yusuf. Yusuf, are you listening to me?
sir.
Yes. Could you kindly tell me the spelling of click?
Let
Click. Yes.
CCLICK.
Excellent. Splendid. Splendid. Very well done. So mouse is used for click. We understanding the chapter number 4. So now everybody open the page number 36. Open the page number 36. Let me write the page number at the corner so that if someone's joined the class late, so they will get to know that we are at the page number 36. We are at the page number 36. So I wrote the page number at the corner and it's page number 36. So everybody open that page number 36. On the page number 36, we have a question. On the page number 36, we have a question. What that question is saying. But before starting that question, could you kindly tell me that everybody is on page 36? Say yes or no. Are you guys on page 36? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Oh, that's good.
Yes, sir. Yes,
So let
sir.
everybody take out a pencil. So we will write the answers on the page 36. The first question of the page 36 is telling us that write the correct words in the blanks. So we have some options given in those blanks. What those options are? Let's see. Let's see what those options are. Write the correct word in the blanks. Write the correct words in the blanks. What those words are? The small arrow. The small arrow that moves. The small arrow that moves when we move the mouse is called a dash, a cursor, or a pointer. So, in the chapter, we discuss one thing. If you see, I draw a red arrow. Okay. If you see under this red arrow, I have a white arrow. And when I move my mouse, so this white arrow moves. What is the name of that white arrow? So the name of that white arrow is cursor, or the name of that white arrow is pointer. The question is asking the same thing. The small white arrow that moves. When we move, the mouse is called dash, a cursor, or a pointer. So the small arrow is of white color. I gave you the hint for the arrow. Okay. So let me take the name of the students, those who sent the answer in the chat already. Okay. So the students, those who are sending the answer, it's Suleiman Tariq, Mohammad Talha, Yusuf, Muhammad Ali, Suleiman, Mohammad Kashan, Siddiq Ghalib, Ahmad Al Badi, Arish, Abdul Muid, Musab, Suleiman Al All these guys already sent the answer with the correct spelling. Excellent to all of you guys. Okay, so the answer is correct. Now let's see. Okay, let's see who is not sending the message in the chat or not raising the hand in the Zoom. Okay, so let's ask Tamim. Tamim, are you listening to me? Tamim, are you there? Tamim, are you there? Are you listening to me clearly? Can you listen to me?
Sir.
Okay. Yes, Tamim, what do you think? What is the answer? The white arrow is called pointer, or that white arrow is a cursor?
What?
My question is the small arrow on the screen, when we move that mouse and that arrow moves. So, what do we call that arrow? It's a cursor or pointer? Tamim, are you there?
Yes.
Okay, could you kindly tell me the answer?
4.
Okay, okay. Now, Kashan, are you listening to me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, my question is same. The small arrow that moves when we move the mouse is called what? Cursor or pointer?
Pointer.
Okay, so Kashan is saying the pointer. Okay, let's ask someone else. Okay, we have Abdul Malik Hassan. Abdul Malik Hassan, yes. What do you think? The small arrow we move with the
Yes,
help of
sir.
mouse. What do we call that arrow?
Pointer.
Pointer. Excellent. That's good. So the names which I took, the students who sent the answer, I took some name, and including Abdul Malik Hassan and Mohammad Kashan. Both of these guys give the correct answer. It's a pointer. And including Yahya, Umar A. Mohsin, Mansoor Arshad, and Rashid also sent the correct answer in the chat. Okay. So now Soleh. Soleh, are you listening to me clearly?
Yes.
Can you read the spelling of pointer for the class so that everybody hear this?
Yes, sir. I don't see the camera. I don't see.
Can you see my screen?
No,
You are not seeing my screen?
I can't see it.
Okay. You can see on my screen. I circle the word pointer. Can you read the word pointer?
Well, but sir, I don't see.
Okay. So everybody of you see my screen? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Did
Yes.
you guys see
Yes.
my
Yes,
screen?
sir. Yes. Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. If there is a glitch, you can just switch the screen or leave a meeting and join a meeting in a minute. So maybe this thing will resolve this issue because all the others are students are seeing my screen. Okay. So time knife. Time knife. Can you see my screen? Time knife.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you read the spelling of pointer?
Pointer.
Oh, that's good. Could you kindly repeat it
I see,
time?
but
Can
don't
you repeat
see.
it again for the class?
Yes.
Okay, yes, please.
Pointer.
Oh, that's good. So, time knife, say the spelling of that word confidently. That's good. That's very good. So, the answer for the first question is the pointer. The answer for the first question is the pointer. Pointer is just a white arrow. The arrow we move with the help of mouse. So, the answer is pointer. The answer is pointer. Now, we are moving towards the next one. The next question is telling us that a mouse is used to dash at things on the screen. So I am just giving you the hint. If you listen the hint, see, mouse is controlling the pointer. So a mouse is used to do dash at things on the screen. Mouse is used to flash. Mouse is used to point. If you see the answer, you will get the hint. Basically, the white arrow of the mouse is called the pointer. So why we use mouse? We use mouse to click. But what does mouse do before clicking? It is used to flash or used to point. Let's see. Thank you, Yaya. Okay. Yusuf gave the right answer. Very good. Very well done. Yusuf sent the answer at first. Very good, Yusuf. Suleiman Al Ghali, Mohammad Kashan, Mohammad Talha, Ahmad Al Badi, Mohammad Ali, Suleiman Tariq, Aris, Siddiq Ghalib, Rashid, and Musab. These guys already sent the answer in the chat, and the spelling is 100% correct. That's good. Excellent. Excellent. Okay. So let's see. Yahya Yusuf, are you listening to me clearly? Yahya? Yahya Yusuf, are you there?
Yes.
Okay. Can you tell me the answer for question number 2?
Bullet.
Ah, good. Good. Very good. So, Yahya told us that it's a point. It's a point. Okay, that's good, Yahya. We have Abdul Muid. Abdul Muid, can you read the spelling of point?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
please.
P-O-I-N-T.
Could you kindly repeat it once more?
P-O-I-N-T.
Okay, it's Point. That's good, Mohit. Okay, so two students, Yahya and Abdul Mohit, told us about the answer for the question number 2. The answer is point. And some more students sent the answer in the chat. Let me take their name also. It's Rashid, Huzafa Rashid, Umar M. Hossein, Abdul Mohit, and we have Salman Al Harbi, Yahya Yusuf, Arshman Aziz. Okay. Mohammad Majdi, your word is pronouncing the same word in the chat, but kindly check the spelling. The spelling starts with P. It's Point. So let me write the answer in the blank so that everybody see this one. Okay. So it's a point. It's Point. It's a point. Now, moving to the third one. What is the third question? Let me make a block on that so that everybody understand we are at the question number 3. The question number 3 is telling us that a mouse has 3 dash. A mouse has 3 dash. 3 what? 3 lines or 3 buttons. Remember, in the yesterday's class, we see the left something and the right something, and in between there is something in the mouse. So what do we have? We see two things, two lines or two buttons, or three buttons or three lines. What do you think? So we see lines or we see buttons? Okay, so let me see. Very good. So many students send the answer. Very good. Yes, Umar Nizar, very good. We can use the paint to draw. You are very much right. Umar Nizar sent the explanation in the chat that we can use paint to draw, color, and edit pictures. Excellent. You are right. Exactly, we can do this one. So, the correct answer is sent by Muhammad Talha, Yusuf, Muhammad Kashan, Arish, Ashman Aziz, Suleiman Tariq, Muhammad Ali, Abdul Malik Hassan, Suleiman Al Ghali, Huzafa Rashid, Siddiq Ghalib, Rashid, Ahmad Al Badi, Abdul Muid, Umar M. Hossein, Muhammad Al Arini, Muhammad Mamoon, and Muhammad Moamin. There are two students, Muhammad Mamoon and Muhammad Moamin, both give the correct answers. Sayyid Huzafa, Yahya Yusuf. All these guys give the correct answers. So, a mouse has three dash, three lines, or three buttons. Let's see. Hatim Yusuf. Hatim, you are not sending any message in the chat, not raising the hand. So, can you tell me the answer? Hatim Yusuf, are you there? Can you listen to me, Hatim? Hatim Yusuf, are you there? Okay. Mohammad Al Sheikh. Mohammad Al Sheikh, are you listening to me clearly?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. Can you tell me mouse has three lines or mouse has three buttons?
Three mouths.
Three what?
Three mouths.
No, I am asking. Mouse has buttons or mouse has lines? What do you think?
Line.
Mouse has lines? Do you have lines on your mouse?
Yes.
Okay, but where are the lines? In the yesterday's class, we see there are two things. One thing is available on the left side and the other thing is available on the right side on the mouse.
No.
Okay, okay, we will try. We will try. Mohammad Talha, are you listening to me, Mohammad Talha?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is the answer? Mouse has buttons or mouse has lines?
Buttons.
Okay, so Talha is saying buttons. We have Suleiman. Suleiman, are you listening to me? Can you give me the answer for this question? Suleiman, are you there?
Yes, sir.
What is the answer for question number 3? Mouse has buttons or mouse has lines?
Buttons.
Buttons. Yes, good. So the names which I took, those names are so many. So many students already gave the answer. Okay. These are the students who just sent the answer, just listening the question. Very good. I am just repeating the name. It's Talha, Yusuf, Kashan, Huzaifa Rashid, Arish, Arshman, Suleiman Tariq, Muhammad Ali, Abdul Malik Hassan, Suleiman Al Ghali, and we have Siddiq Ghalib, Rashid, Abdul Muid, Ahmad Al Badi, Muhammad Mamoon, Muhammad Muamin, Huzaifa. There are two Huzaifa in the class. Yahya Yusuf, Suleiman Al Harbi, Muhammad Majdi. All these guys sent the correct answer for this one. Okay. And the correct answer is button. As in the yesterday's class, we see the mouse has two buttons, the left mouse button and the right mouse button. In between, there is a one special thing. We will see that in the question 4. Okay, so we see the two buttons. There are buttons available on the mouse. Arish. Arish, can you read the spelling of buttons so that everybody can hear in the class?
Button. Button.
Button. Okay. Yusuf, can you read the spelling for buttons so that everybody heard it? Yusuf, are you there? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Could you kindly read the spelling for buttons?
B
Good.
U T T O N S.
That's good. So two
I love
students.
you.
Okay, thank you, Yusuf. Okay, so two students, Yusuf and Arish, read the spelling, and so many students give the answer. Very well done to all of you. All of you are doing the great job. That's good. That's good. So the answer for the question number 3 is buttons. The answer for the question number 3 is buttons. Okay. So let me write. It's Buttons. So mouse has buttons. We have a fourth question. The last question of that particle is the mouse helps us move up and down a page. The mouse dash helps us move up and down a page. So, mouse has buttons. We know there are buttons. But we discussed one thing. It's in between the both buttons. So the mouse help us to move up and down a page. For example, we are using the internet. So we can move the page up and down using that thing. What do we use? We use the mouse button or we use the mouse wheel. So what do we use? Now let me see. Oh wow, that's good. So many students sent the answer. Let me take the name. Very well done, guys. This time, who sent the answer at the first? It's Mamoon. Mohammad Mamoon sent the answer at the first. That's good. So, Mamoon, Yusuf, excellent. Abdul Malik Hassan, very good. Mohammad Talha, Ryan, Arshman Aziz, Suleiman Tariq, Kashan, Arish, Suleiman Al Ghali, Mohammad Al Arini, Rashid, Suleiman Al Ghali, Ahmad Al Badi, Musaf, Yahya Yusuf, Ali, Umar A. Mohsen, Salman Al Harbi, Siddiq Ghalib, Abdul Muid, and Muhammad Ali. All these guys sent the correct answer with the correct spelling. That's good. With the correct answer and correct spelling, very good. That's great. Okay, so let me see who is there who will give the answer for this one. Rakan. Rakan, are you listening to me?
Yes.
Okay. Rakan, can you tell us the answer for the question number 4?
Wheel.
Oh, good. Thank you. Okay. So, Rakan told us the answer. Let's ask this question to someone else. Okay. Sami Hijazi, can you give me the answer for this question so that everyone in the class can listen this? Sami, are you there?
Yes.
Sami, can you tell us the answer for this question 4?
قولي كلمة تبقى قولي كلمة هاي
Sami,
الثامن.
Sami Hijazi, are you there, Sami?
Yes.
Can you tell us
قولي
the answer for question number 4?
Buttons?
Question 4. The mouse dash mouse button helps us to move up or down a page or mouse wheel.
pointers.
Are you there, Sami?
Yes, بس قولي كيف أكتب اسم.
We are at the question 4.
في
لا wheel
We are at the
wheel.
question
Wheel.
4.
Wheel.
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 Okay. So you said wheel. Okay, that's good. So the correct answer is a mouse wheel. So two students gave the correct answer. It's a mouse wheel. Mohammad Majdi, can you read the spelling of wheel? Mohammad Majdi, are you there?
Yes.
Okay. Could you kindly read the spelling of wheel, please?
Wheel.
Yes.
WHEEL.
That's good. Could you kindly again repeat it so that everybody listen it again?
WHEEL.
Oh, that's good. That's good. Excellent. Okay. Excellent. That's good. So the answer is wheel. And he very confidently gave the answer. That's good. So the answer is wheel. The mouse wheel helps us to move up and down a page. Let me write the answer there in the blank. Okay, let me raise the box. The answers are there on the screen. And the answer for the question number 1 is pointer. Answer for question number 2 is point. Answer for question number 3 is buttons. Answer for question number 4 is wheel. Okay. So wheel is used to move up and down a page in a mouse. Okay. So mouse wheel is used for scrolling. It's a technical word. Moving page up and down. Moving the page up and down is called scrolling. So mouse wheel is used for scroll. Or in simple words, we can say it is used for moving the page up and down. Everybody understand that point? Say yes or no. Everybody understand that point?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay. Okay. My question again is okay. Everybody understand that one?
yes.
Okay. Now, my second question is everybody done that question in the book? Everybody wrote these words in the book with the pencil? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay. Thank you.
sir.
Okay. Okay. Now I erase the words and we are moving to the next question on the same page. The question is telling us that match the words. Match the words. So there should be a pencil remains in your hand that we have to match the words with the help of pencil. Match the words that are similar in meaning. The word similar means same. The things which have the same meaning, is called the similar. So there are some words here and some words are giving here. So the first one we have a direct. Direct means show. Direct means flashing. Direct means point. Direct means move. What do you think? Direct means show. Direct means flashing. Direct means point. Direct means move. So, it's Mohammad Kashan, Arish, Mohammad Talha, Siddiq Ghalib, Rashid. All these guys give the answer in the chat already. Let's see who we have. Umar Nizar. Are you there, Umar Nizar? Can you listen to me?
Yes, sir.
What is the answer for direct? What do you think? Direct
What's your
means
answer?
show, flashing, point, or move.
Sir, wait a second. Wait just a second.
Okay. Are you there? Okay, Wali, can you tell us the answer for this one? Direct means what? Direct means show, direct means flashing, direct means point, direct means move. Wali, are you there? Can you listen to me?
Point.
Okay, that's good. Could you kindly repeat your answer? Wali, are you there?
Direct means point. The
Okay,
point will be directly go. Point
very good.
will directly select.
Excellent, excellent. So Wali explains his answer also. So direct means the point. Direct means the point. Okay, we connect it. We matched it. I draw a line, connect direct with the point. Now we have shift. Shift is show. Shift is flashing. Shift means move. What do you think? So Muhammad Ali, Umar A. Mohsin, Muhammad Al Sheikh, Abdul Malik Hassan, Kashan, Talha, Suleiman Tariq, Arish. These guys already sent the answer in the chat. Soleh, are you listening to me, Soleh?
Yes, sir. I can see the screen now.
Okay, that's good. Okay, so Soleh, can you tell the answer? What does shift means? What do you think? Shift means show, shift means flashing, shift means move.
Shift means flashing.
No. We are saying we are shifting from one class to another. We will say this thing. We are shifting from class 2 to 3. So what does that mean?
Move.
Move. That's good. You pick the hint correct. Very good, Soleh. So Soleh picked the hint. Very well done to Soleh and all the guys who sent the answer. And let me take some more students send the answer along with the students Siddiq Ghalib, Abdul Malik Hassan, Yusuf, Musab, Yahya, Ahmad Al Badi, Muhammad Ali, Majdi. All these guys sent the answer. It's a move. It's a move. Now, now we are at the blinking. So blinking means show. Blinking means flashing. Blinking means show. Blinking means flashing. What do you think? What does blink means? Okay. So till now, Kashan, Siddiq Ghalib, Suleiman Tariq, Talha, Arish, Muhammad Al Rani, Musab, Suleiman Al Ghali. These guys sent the answer. Muhammad Al Rani, kindly check your answer, please. Ali and Ahmad Al Badi, Ryan. These guys also sent the correct answer. Let's ask. Okay, we have Sam. Sam, are you there?
Yes.
Sam, can you tell the answer? Blinking means show, blinking means flashing. My question is the word blinking means flashing or blinking means show.
Flashing.
Okay, could you kindly repeat your answer? Okay, okay, Salman Al Harbi. Okay, he is saying flashing. Okay, Salman Al Harbi. Yes, are you there? Okay, so Ryan, we have two students. One is Rakan and the other one is Ryan. Ryan, are you listening to me? Ryan?
Hello, sir.
Yes, Ryan. Can you tell us blinking means flashing or blinking means show?
Flashing.
Flashing. That's good. Excellent. It's a flashing. And Ryan told us this answer very confidently. That's good. Now, the last one. On the both sides. On this side, only one word is left. It's a display. And on this side, only one word is left. So, automatically, this word is connect with the this word. Display means show. Computer, the monitor of the computer display us a games, videos, a picture, and we can say the monitor show us a video, games. So show and display both are same words. And so many students sent the answer for this one. Talha, Kashan, Suleiman Tariq, Abdul Malik Hassan, Ali, Yahya, Majdi, Rashid, okay, Yusuf, Abdul Muid, Arish, Siddiq Ghalib, all these guys sent the correct answer. Okay, so this is a question 2. We are done with that question on the page number 36. Everybody done that? Say yes or no.
Yes.
Oh, that's good. That's good. That's good. If you guys are finished. So there is one more thing. There is one more thing. There is an assignment waiting for you in the class light. Everybody open that assignment and do that assignment. It's very easy. It's available there in the course material. Everybody open that. We will meet in the next class, inshallah. So bye everyone. Bye everyone. Bye everyone.
Bye bye.